Welcome back. You're watching Big Deal. Sanjeev, so what will be the focus for 2017 for PwC? How has 2016 been in terms of revenue generation? Will 2017 be any better?
I mean, it's a VUCA world, but I'm hoping that the inbound corporate activity in India will continue to rise. That's something that is an area of focus. I think the other two areas of focus really are one, there are between 2006 and 2013, there are more than 2,000 investments which the private equity investors made, which have not yet seen an exit. These will either see further rounds of funding, or some of these will need an exit. It could be by secondaries, it could be by corporate buyouts, or indeed IPOs. I think that's going to be an area of focus. And thirdly, and I think it's stating the obvious, there continues to be a fair amount of stress in the balance sheets of a number of Indian banks, and hence a number of Indian businesses. And I think those are also opportunities for M&A, and that's a third thing that would be a significant focus. So I would say those three.
Oh, very good point, Sanjeev. In fact, Edelweiss has also been working a lot on the stressed asset bit through your ARC. You had a big deal over there, and you are also coming up with several IPOs also from the house. So what will be the strategy, and how will Edelweiss really look at the end of 2017?
So I think, we are in some sense product agnostic. Our whole objective is to, in mid-market segment, $50 to $500 million kind of segment, address clients' need across product vertical, be if it is early stage capital or IPO or M&A, or if somebody is in stress solution or a bond market or in which. So I think we are a very multi-product product agnostic platform. We focus a lot on what are the client needs and how do we so and our market share is close to 5%, and we continue to invest into this business. From a trend perspective, I think IPO we are in a very leadership position, and I think we will continue to do lots of effort on that, lots of action on that, and also we'll do innovation. So around new products, like I mentioned, InvIT is a very big focus for us, and we think that we will be able to take a couple of InvITs to the market, and we've been engaging with investors. Private equity has been our traditionally stronghold, and we continue to believe that lots of capital will be raised, especially in logistics and some of the where capital is required and there's a demand. So you will see that. Lots of M&A would be possible through stressed, especially in the stressed asset side, where you can bring new investors, strategic investor consolidation. So we will see a lot of activity out there.
Your in-house IPOs as well is what I was mentioning.
That I leave to keep guessing to you, but that I'm not privy to. But we are focused on a lot more on. I'm sure if there is any, we will address that too. But that's again one more client for us. So.
All right, I'll leave it at that. I'll leave it to your discretion to really disclose it at the proper time. But thanks so much, Vikas, as well as Sanjeev, for joining us for this very interesting conversation. Thanks so much. Thanks to all the viewers for joining us on Big Deal.